Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and demo on this hair wax paint that I got on Amazon. And this one stood out to me because in the description it clearly stated that it rinses out very easily with just warm water alone. So of course that was like a good selling point. So in this video I'm going to be showing also how well it washes out of my hair. But for now, let's just put this in and see how it looks. And the link for this is in the description box. The brand is MOFAJANG hair coloring material. Here's the product. This smells like a cologne or something. Yeah, it definitely smells like a men's product. So I have these gloves that I'm gonna use. They're not the most like fitting gloves, but I'm gonna try and see how well they work. And I'm gonna put this t-shirt around my shoulders so I don't get this on my nice shirt. I think we're good. I don't think these gloves are tight enough for me to be using. I'm gonna try anyway. I'm gonna smell like a man after I'm done with this. It's strong. This is a strong scent. I think I put too much on this clump. Let's look at this. Okay. Now my hair is straight. All right, I'm gonna do the other side. And this scent is very strong. Like if you are someone who gets nauseous with perfumes, you know what it smells like? It smells like Old Spice. Like Old Spice body mist or Old Spice deodorant. That's exactly what it smells like to me. So if that makes you nauseous or like the scent of perfumes make you nauseous, beware. Because some perfumes make me nauseous and this does not smell good to me at all. Whew. So I'm done putting this in my hair. I'm gonna give it a few minutes to like dry and settle in, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I'm working with. But yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. All right, you guys, so this is the hair. My hair is pretty dry. It is dry. And it looks very pigmented. So as you can see, my hair does not look the same as it did before I put this hair wax paint in it. And that's fine. I guess it's just something for you to consider. If you put this in your hair and you have it in like a molded style, this is probably gonna make it like revert and it's gonna weight down and stretch it out. But I mean, it's cute. Also, as I'm touching it, there's like a little bit, like barely any color, but I can tell there's like a little bit wearing off on my fingers. Not sure if you can tell on here, but I can tell on my fingertips. There's a little bit of color wearing off. So let me zoom in and show you guys this color. It's cute. So yes, this is pretty cute, but just oh, definitely, ooh, look at that. You would definitely need to be aware that it will like sort of transfer if you're touching it a lot, so refrain from touching your hair and rubbing it against things, because it will probably transfer at least a little bit. Also, the scent is like strong. It is a very strong scent. I'm not a fan of it. I wish it didn't smell like anything. And if they did give it a scent, I think they could have gave it a better scent. But it is what it is. If you're someone who's really picky about scents, then keep that in mind. I'm actually going to wash my hair tonight. I will come on here. I'll probably show at least a section of my hair being rinsed off with just warm water, because this product claims that it rinses off completely with just warm water. So I will record that and let you know if it does rinse out as easily as it claims to. So I got this off of Amazon for $9.98, so pretty much $10, not too bad. I do notice it's like flaking on my shirt. I have little specks on my shirt. So yeah, I would keep that in mind. I will come back and show you guys how well it washes out of my hair. Okay, so here is my hair, and the blue literally rinsed out so easily, super quickly. And I just had it on like warm water, hot water, and it definitely all rinsed out. So that is very good. You won't have any troubles rinsing this product out or washing it out of your hair. It's so easy to do. All right, you guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video and this was helpful for you if you were thinking about purchasing this hair wax, hair paint coloring product. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It will sort of add moisture to your hair before it dries. So if you have like a formed hairstyle, keep that in mind too. That is going to probably mess it up. But it does what it claims to do, and I think it does it decently. So yeah, I think I covered everything that I needed to in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a comment down below and give a thumbs up to let me know. And of course, subscribe for more, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.